Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play the rhythm guitar parts for Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. I'm tuned to G open, G, D, G. Works out really good. He's tuned very slightly sharp, so if you want to play along with the record you might have to just tweak your strings a little bit because he's not quite in perfect pitch, as you call it. But he starts off with the riff and he's using an octave divider, which drops the note an octave down. I have a harmonizer here, which wasn't given to me. I bought this, and I'm not a salesman who plays guitar or anything. I'm not trying to sell anything, and I get nothing if you buy one of these. And there's dozens of these kind of things. This one's a harmonizer, does a whole bunch of stuff. If you just want an octave down, there's other pedals. But this was on Amazon. It was on sale. It was very inexpensive, and it's worked pretty good for me. This particular one is Donner. And you sort of need something like this to play the first part of this song. I'll demonstrate. Like he does a whole bunch of those. I think there's 2 measures and then another 4 measures before he kicks into the next part of the song. But it's very, very straightforward. So you play 9, 9 again, 12, 9, 7, 5, 4. So when you've gotten up to the next part of the song, it changes to a bright, distorted sound. And he is actually playing slide in this song, although he uses his fingers for that particular lick that we just played. But it works with the slide. But later on, he is actually playing slide. You can see it and you can hear it. So with the octave divider off and the distortion up, we go to an open G chord. And we play it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, followed by an A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the 2nd fret. So that's open and 2. And then we play the lick with a couple hiccups. I would recommend playing all 3 strings. And the hiccups are simply, the lick is the same with a couple variations. It's 9, 9, 12, 9, 7, 5, 4. He hits some open strings because he's in an open tuning other than what we're doing. It's an A chord, basically, that we're hearing. So if you can get down there and just quickly do the A before you get back up here. So it's like... see how quick that was? So that's pretty quick. So if you need to leave off the A, go right ahead. And that little other lick that was there is 5, 7, 5. Once again, you're up on 9, 9 again, 12, 9, 7, 5, 4. Really quick on the 2. Skip it if you can't get it. And then back to the 9, 9 again, 12, 9, 7, 5, 7, 5. And really quick if you can. It would be better to leave that A, the 2nd fret, it would be better to leave that out than have it come across messy. So those are the parts that you need to play rhythm guitar for Seven Nation Army. Have a great day.